Hey there, this is Wendy. Welcome. Today I am showcasing my October class to go. This class is adorable. It features the Festive Farmhouse Designer Series paper, the Nothing Sweeter bundle, and the Signs of Santa bundle. Look at this cute little bag. So you're going to get enough supplies to make 2 of all of these projects, exclusive videos walking you through how to make them, and then you have an option of adding on the stamp sets, the bundles, different options like that. The link to sign up for the class to go is in the description below this video. You can click on that link to sign up for the class to go. You can also just purchase the kits if you don't want to get all the stamp sets and bundles and stuff. You can simply get the kits, and then there's also a $20 option to just get the exclusive videos, so you're welcome to purchase any of those options. This is how the kits come. I provide 2, and 2 are provided by my partner who does this with me, and these are the bundles. So Signs of Santa is one of the bundles you can get, or you can just get the stamp set, and then the other one is Nothing Sweeter, and you can either get these bundles or the stamp sets to complete the cards, or you can always use other images for the cards. You don't have to use the images we use. You can improvise and do different stuff. So yeah, that's it. And then we did a mega bundle where you can get a whole bunch of different stuff. These are the 2 punches that we use. Those are optional add-ons as well, but I'm pre-punching everything, so you don't have to have those punches, just so you know, in order to complete the tag in this grouping. So you've got 2 cards, a little bag, and a tag, and they are all adorable, and I hope you love them like I do and sign up to get this class to go. Okay, if you want to see other previous class to goes from me, you can click on either one of them that you see here. Please note they are no longer available. You can't actually get them anymore. Sorry about my dogs barking. Click on the little circle with my face in it to subscribe to my channel, and I hope that you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.